Hey there. Welcome to FlowFit Yoga Online. My name is Lexus, this is Rumi, and we're really happy you're here with us today. So today's class is all about the breath. We're going to do about 5 to 7 minutes of strictly breath work, and I've added some information in the description below so that we could just get straight into the breathing practice here. So for some preliminary instructions, number one, make yourself into a comfortable seat. That could be sitting cross-legged. I'm elevated on blocks. You could be on a bolster, on a pillow, even on a chair, on a couch. You just want your spine to be upright, and you want to be able to breathe fairly easy and make the breath accessible for you. And number two, this breath is focused on an active exhale. And the inhale is just going to be passive. We're not going to work for it. We're just going to let it happen. And we're actually going to work for the exhale. It's going to be in and out through our nose. So with that being said, you may want to take some clearing breaths just to kind of get some gunk out of there if it's the morning time or you're congested. So take some clearing breaths. And then number three, go at your own pace. This breath work can be both activating and energizing and neutralizing and calming as well. The slower you go, the more calming it is. The faster you go, the more energizing and releasing it is. So if this is your first time, start off slower. Give yourself time to acclimate. This is a heavy diaphragmatic practice, this diaphragm, this muscle here, so it's going to work. You may feel a little uncomfortable here, and you may feel a little fatigued here, and that's totally normal. So with that being said, let's practice. So let your hands just rest where they are and start to take a deep breath in through your nose. Through your nose, force an exhale out and feel your belly press into your spine. Kind of felt this pumping action of your belly, and then just let the inhale naturally happen. Force an exhale out. Inhale naturally happens. Force the exhale. Got it? So we're forcing the exhale. Inhale naturally rebounds like a balloon. The more you press into the balloon, the more it's going to naturally rebound back. So we'll do that for 1 minute at a time. We'll get a breather, a little quick break in between each round, in 3 rounds total. With that being said, go ahead and get started by taking a deep breath in. And start by pumping your exhales. Find a pace that works. Now keep pumping. I'm going to coach you through this really quick. Keep pumping the exhale out. And you may notice you may have to take an extra breath in to kind of restart and then go again, and that's totally normal. Find your pace. Feel your belly pump into your spine, this heat build, and keep going. You have 30 seconds. Keep going. Relax your shoulders and your jaw and your chest. Last 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, take a deep breath in. Pause on the inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, let it go. Take one natural breath. And we begin our second minute. Take a big breath in through your nose. And start to pump the exhales out. Keep going, you got 30 seconds. Keep going, keep pumping your belly into your spine. You may feel fatigue, it's okay. Breathe through it, relax into it. "15 more seconds, you got it. Just notice. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, keep pumping. 1, let it go. Big breath in. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big breath out. And pause. And relax your body, settle into your body, and just notice any tingles, any vibrations. We have one more round. And when you pump, try to stay soft in your body. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Last minute. All right, 1 minute, you got it. Exhale, start to pump. Keep pumping, you have 30 more seconds, you got it. Try to relax your shoulders, your skin on your face, your neck as much as possible. Keep pumping. Doesn't matter how fast or slow you're going, just keep forcing an exhale out. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep breath in. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale through your nose or your mouth. Let it go. Relax your body. Relax your belly. And just notice the language of your body that speaks in sensation. Without judgment, without labeling, just feel the sensations, the result. And slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.